Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in the Photopea app. If you don't know how to zoom the image to the Photopea app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Photopea app on your home screen. Now open it. Then tap on to the simple editor button right here. Then tap on to choose from library. Now choose one photo that you want to zoom in. Then here you can find the option of crop at the top corner. Now tap on it. Now to zoom in, simply pinch the photo like this. After pinching in the photo, you can see the photo has been zoomed in, and you can also zoom out. Just like this. And tap on to done. And now the photo has been zoomed. And that's it. This is how you can zoom in the Photopea app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.